Hello! This video is about how to access OWL digital content that has been shared with you. OWL sharing is a great way to save time and effort by collaborating with your team. Let's say you're building a test with another user who has shared a section called Section 1. In this case, User 1 is the sharer, and you are User 2. First, let's go to the section list page. Notice that Section 1 is not here. That is because when something is shared with us, we have to first go to the Shared menu and make a copy. It's under the Building menu. Highlight Shared. In this case, we're looking for a section, so select Sections. Here is a list of all the sections that have been shared with us. Now we need to select the one we want and click Copy. Copying may take a moment or two. Okay, now let's go to the section list page again. You can see now that both sections are available. If you want to share something you created with another user, you'll want to watch the video called Sharing OWL Digital Content. Thank you for your time and for choosing the OWL Test Management System.